Hello Neaters, I've got a Zoom room installed on a window-based compute with Intelligent Director setup. This is also using a neat board as a Zoom room companion. It's pretty cool. I can use the functionality as a whiteboard, or if content is being shared, you would see that extended right onto the companion mode as well. I absolutely love the way that the neat board feels when I am annotating on top of it. It's just absolutely phenomenal. And with our whiteboard functionality, you can also save any of the work that's being done, or I can just go ahead and just discard it if needed to. So if you're looking for ways to enhance the productivity in all of your spaces, including Zoom rooms on Windows-based compute, you can achieve that. Thank you and have a great day. Oh, and did I mention that you can also position digital signage when the room is on idle? Oh yeah, all with one single Zoom room license.